Sanibonani. Hi guys, this is the first practice video for this lesson. I'll split up the material into a few videos. So again, to start with the verbs. Sitting right next to the church tower. So the first verb we'll look at is a very useful one, ukuthanda. Tanda means to love or to like. And since we already know how to form the infinitive with ugu, we can say a lot of things now just by saying ngithanda and then the infinitive. So for instance, I could say, I like speaking Zulu. Ngithanda ukukhuluma isiZulu. I can say, I like to learn. Ngithanda ukufunda. And if I want to say you like, it's ukuthanda or ukuthanda in the long form. So I could ask, do you like speaking Zulu? Uthanda ukukhuluma isiZulu na? Do you like coffee? Uthanda ikhofu, uyithanda. I can now say I don't like angithandi ukukhuluma isingisi. I don't like speaking English. Or you don't like awuthandi. Then another really useful verb, not to get mixed up with ukuthanda, is to want, ukufuna. I would suggest learning it with the mnemonic. It's fun. Fun, if it's fun, you want to do it. So to want to do something fun, ukufuna. You could also just remember the sentence, ngifuna ukufunda. I want to learn. Ngifuna ukufunda isiZulu. I want to learn Zulu. Now I could also say something like, I want to speak Afrikaans. Ngifuna ukukhuluma isibunu. I want to go now. Ngifuna ukuhamba manje. And then to say you want would be ufuna or uyafuna in the long form. Do you want to go? Ufuna ukuhamba. And you don't want awufuni ukuhamba. Awufuni ukukhuluma isingisi. You don't want to speak English. I don't want angifuni. Do you want water? Ufuna manzi? Cha, ayifuni. No, I don't want. So, see how many sentences you can build just using ukuthanda and ukufuna. Learning languages is all about learning how to make combinations. You learn a few little building blocks, and then with those you can make so many combinations and so many sentences. And then another really useful verb in this lesson was ukuya. So ya is the stem of the verb ukuya, to go. It is not the same as ukuhamba because it means to go somewhere. You have to say the place that you're going to, the destination. For instance, if I want to say I'm going to school, it would be ngiya eskoleni. If I'm saying I'm going to town, ngiya edolobheni. So it's always followed by a place in the locative. I'm going to that place. Ngiya eKapa. I'm going to Cape Town. We are going siya eKapa. And so forth. I'm not going angiyi. So again, the ya becomes yi in the negative. Angiyi eskoleni. I'm not going to school. And then you are going uya eKapa. You are going to Cape Town. Awuyi eKapa. You are not going to Cape Town. And so forth. Now a few sentences and try and think of the Zulu equivalent. I want to learn Zulu. Ngifuna ukufunda isiZulu. I want water. Ngifuna amanzi. Notice that the funa amanzi gets joined. Ngifuna amanzi. What do you want? Ufunani. Ufunani. Because the ni is just like a suffix that you add to the verb, the stress shifts from ufuna to funani, because the second last syllable has to be stressed. And then, how do I say, I want to go now? Ngifuna ukuhamba manje. And I like food. Ngithanda ukudla. I like Zulu. Ngithanda isiZulu. It's also very common to add the pronoun it in these kinds of sentences, so you would hear things like ngiyithanda imoto yakho, I like it, your car, or ngisithanda isiZulu, I like it, isiZulu. Just something to get used to hearing in that way. That's it for this practice video. Have fun progressing in Zulu, and see you soon.